Hey guys, the Super Public Incentivized Testnet is almost ready for everyone. The incentivized testnet is not fully launched, but while we are waiting for it to be launched, you can claim test tokens from the Supra faucet and exchange these tokens with other users. Once the incentivized testnet is fully launched, there will be lots of other interactions on the Supra ecosystem. So today, I'll be showing you how to get started. The first thing to do is to set up your Starkey wallet. If you don't know how to set up your Starkey wallet for the Supra Testnet, check out the video at the top of your screen. You'll also find the link to the guide in the description. So once your Starkey wallet is set up, the next thing to do is to open it. So on your extensions tab here, if you click on it, you will see a list of your extensions. So you can scroll till you find the Starkey wallet, which is this. So click on it. If you don't want to keep doing this anytime you're opening the wallet, you can click on this pin icon beside it to pin it to your toolbar. Now that I've pinned the wallet to my toolbar, I only have to click on it once and it will open. So once you've opened your Starkey wallet, it will look like this. The next thing to do is to make sure you are on the testnet. So you find the network selector drop down menu at the top here, so click on it. In this case, I'm already on the testnet, but in case you're on the mainnet, click on the testnet tab to switch to testnet. The next thing to do is to claim test Supra from the faucet, which you'll be sending to other users. To get the test tokens, click on Supra and click collect. So right now I have received some Supra tokens. So now that I've received it, I click on OK and I have some Supra to send to other users. As you can see here, I've received some Supra from some other users and I can send to other users. To send test tokens to other users, click on send and paste the Supra address in the address bar. Now you may be wondering, how do I get Supra testnet addresses? It's simple. As you've guessed, you can get it in the Supra Discord. So head over to the Supra Discord, you'll find the link in the description, and on the testnet addresses channel, you will see lots of Supra addresses shared by other testnet users. So you can copy any of them that you like and send Supra tokens to those addresses. You can also share your testnet address so other users can send you some test tokens. So in this case, I'll be copying this, so I highlight it and use Ctrl+C to copy. I go back to my Starkey wallet, paste the address here. You can also add this address to your address book, so you don't always have to go and copy an address from the testnet channel anytime you want to make a transaction. So to do that, click on add to address book and give it any label. In this case, I'll use C. Once you're done, click next and this address will be added to your address book. So the next thing to do here is to enter the amount of Supra you want to send. In this case, I want to send 2 Supra to this user. After entering the amount, click review, and once you're happy, click send. Remember, this is a testnet, so there are bound to be errors. Once you notice an error, you can share your feedback in the Supra Discord. So click send and give it a few seconds to see if your transaction is successful. So my transaction is successful. I click on OK, and you can make as many transactions as you like. Now, if you notice, if I click elsewhere, the Supra wallet goes away, so I have to keep clicking on the toolbar to open it. One way to fix this is by expanding the view of the wallet so it opens in a new tab. So to do that, click on your settings icon, click display, and click expand view. Now your Supra wallet opens in a new tab, so you don't have to keep clicking on the extension icon every time you want to use the wallet. All you have to do is to switch to this tab. So that's it for now about the Supra Public Incentivized Testnet. If you haven't set up your token claim plan, check out the video at the top of your screen to get started. This is for those who are part of the Blast Off Airdrop, where we answer Supra mission quizzes every week. I'll be happy to receive some test Supra from you, so check out the video description to get my Supra Testnet address. Send me some tokens and I'll be happy to send you back. You can also share your Supra Testnet address in the comments and I'll be happy to exchange tokens with you. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Supra updates, mission quiz answers, crypto tips, airdrops, and tutorials. Supra Mission 70 is live, so check out the video at the top of your screen for the mission quiz answers. Don't forget, we are still in the season of Telegram airdrops, so check out the bonus section of this video description and sign up on some of the hottest Telegram airdrops today. So keep claiming Supra from the faucet and exchanging it with other users. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.